Hello, my name is Davin from Micro Center, and today I want to talk about some quick and easy ways for you to personalize the look and feel of Windows Vista. Windows Vista has made it very easy for you to change the way things look, and you can access that menu by right-clicking on the screen and selecting the Personalize. Personalize gives you a lot of the options for you to change the features and the way Windows handles. And one of them very frequently asked questions is, I don't like the way Vista looks. Is there a way for me to change it to how XP looks again? And the answer is yes. And Vista has made it very easy to do so under the Themes menu. Under Themes, all you have to do to revert to the XP mode is to select Windows Classic theme. And this will take you back to the way Windows 2000, Windows 98, and Windows XP has looked in the past. Or if you want to revert it back to the way Vista is, then you just select the Windows Vista theme. Also under the Personalization tab is a way for you to change the entire color scheme of Windows. And so once you open that up, you'll see a bunch of colors that you can choose, and that'll change the borders of all the windows that you open. Now, once you have selected the color of your choice, then most people will want to change the desktop background. And the fastest way to change your desktop background is to right-click on any picture, either on the internet or on your computer, and setting them as your background. Now, if you don't want to do that, then you can always select the Browse feature and find a picture on your own that's saved on your hard drive. Under these settings too, you can set the picture, your desktop background, either as a center, so that it's just center your screen, tiled so that it repeats itself again, or best fit, so that it stretches across your desktop. Now, if your picture doesn't fit, then you might want to select a new background color, which you can do from here as well. On the next menu down in Personalization, you have Screensavers. And so from here, you can now select different screensavers that you're interested in, and you can see them in the preview window. Once you've selected a screensaver that you like, then you can also change how long it takes for the screensaver to activate once you're idle. And if you want, you can also select Display the Login Screen so that you can have password protection, so that no one can access your computer when you're away and not looking. And the last thing of note in the Personalization menu is the display settings. Sometimes your computer will not be able to automatically detect the maximum resolution of your screen. So if you need to increase it through Windows, then you can change it here under the monitor resolution. You can also change the color bitrate. And if you really need to, you can also check for your driver settings too. One of the very cool new features of Vista is what are called gadgets. What Gadgets does is it adds a cool little tool in the sidebar where you can view a clock, your computer usage of CPU and memory. You can have a calendar, to-do lists, you can have financial reports. Now, if you want to add a gadget to the defaults, then all you have to do is right-click on that sidebar and select Add Gadgets. And from that menu too, you can also select properties to change the way the sidebar behaves, or close down that whole sidebar altogether if it gets in the way too much. Now, to close just one of the gadgets instead of all of them, all I have to do is click on the X that's right next to the gadget. Or if you want to move it around anywhere on the desktop, you click on the button right below the X and just drag it onto the desktop or to a place of your choice. And finally, I want to talk about some ways you can customize the taskbar. And to do so, all you have to do is right-click on the taskbar and select Properties. And from here, one of the very first things I want to do on a new computer is to enable the Quick Launch buttons, which is under the Taskbar tab. And what the quick launch buttons will do is allow you to open up programs with one click of the button, or see your entire desktop with one click of the button too. And so if you want to add Internet Explorer or AOL Instant Messenger or Windows Movie Player into there, you can access it right away instead of trying to hunt it down in the start menu or on your desktop. Also, one cool feature is you can also change the look and feel with just the start menu. So if you want to just change the start menu to the classic start menu from Windows XP 2098, then you can just click classic start menu from there. Or if you like it the way it looks from Vista, then you just leave it on just standard start menu. Alright, thank you for watching.